Estudyante yan. Busy siya, meron siyang exam ngayon. Tayo chill lang tayo. Hello mga tropa peeps. Galing po ako school ng asawa ko sa Boubali College. At papasok na ako, andun na ang aking trabaho. God is always blessing us with so much things. God has a plan for us. God is always looking at our needs, not what we want but what we need. Let's keep our faith to God, and everything will follow for as long as we don't give up, always believing that God will do amazing things. Mga tropa peeps, follow, like, and subscribe. Salamat sa inyong support. Bye bye.